And then it's gotta be like something like this. Here fly the cutest angel. Very pian. Very pian. Look how happy I am. Pian. Very happy. Pian. This is nightmare. This is nightmare fuel for myself. Here fly the cutest angel. And then where's the next lyrics? I'm not a short, do not bully me. Oh my gosh. I'm cooking myself. Naman. I am not that short. I am not that short. Please do not bully me. I am not that short. I am very tall. I am very tall. Why the heck are there 9 people watching me? No, I'm taller. I am tall. I am tall. I'm tall. I am tall. Look, I'm tall. Wait, where's the red mark? I need a red mark. Tall. There. What the heck do I put as my analogy for this? No, it's not. No. Okay, wait. How tall is Peppy? How tall is Peppy? How tall is Peppy? How tall is Peppy? Wait, how tall is Peppy? I'll do a cameo. Let me show Peppy. How tall is that rat? Come on. Give me an estimate. Give me an estimate. Sis. Okay. Okay, I'll do a certain color. Wait, what the heck is it? Oh yeah, it's yellow. This is just a cameo. I'm not targeting anyone. I'm not targeting. I'm not targeting anyone. I'm not targeting. She's just slightly shorter than me, guys. Okay. There's gonna be a cameo. A cameo. See, I'm pretty tall. Pretty tall. There's someone going awawa on the background. I'm pretty tall. Very, very, very tall. What? Do you guys have a problem with this? Very tall. Do not bully me. Hi, hi. There's there. Okay, I grew peppy. I grew peppy. Okay, okay. Now, any opinions? Going once. It's black. Okay, it's black. It's black. There, very tall. Very. I'm gonna be like emphasis, and then I'm gonna be zooming in. Tall. There, very, very big emphasis. Yeah, there's a rat. Why the heck is there a rat in the tall scale? This overphobic eyes. No, it's a storyboard. Okay, this is a storyboard. I might include it once I put detail. I can put the detailing later. Okay, and what's the lyrics about? I'm not that short. Do not bully me. Please don't bully me. I may be silly. I'm here to purge the world. Okay.